250. Look at this truck all hitting the switches, yo. Hell yeah. Oh, damn. Hello?
Hey, man.
Hey, what's going on, dude?
Not much. What are you up to?
Getting gas in my bike right now. All right. You want to ride tonight or what?
Yeah, probably. At least a little bit. I got a girl that I might go visit. So.
Okay. It's okay. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll text you when I get home. I'll let you know exactly what time it is.
Cool, man. I'll see you later.
All right, dude. I'll talk to you late.
Okay. Bye.
All right. Where were we? We didn't even start. Welcome back to another episode, everybody. This is Oregon Motorcycle. It is a beautiful Thursday afternoon. It's about 2:30-ish. Today is May 28th, and I'm coming home from work. So before we get started, guys, I'd like to thank a couple contributors to the channel. They contributed to the channel through the Buy Me a Coffee. If you guys are interested in buying me a coffee, click the link down below in the description, and you can buy me a coffee and help donate to my channel, which is totally awesome. Just like Michael Sisson did. Michael Sisson, I totally appreciate your contribution to the channel. Goes a really long ways. It's awesome, man. Thanks. Our next contributor is Fred Tucker. Fred, you're awesome. Super appreciate your contribution to the channel. It helps out a lot, and all that stuff helps out so much, guys. I truly appreciate it. So today, it's a little hot. Actually, I think this might be the hottest day of the year so far. I think they said it was like 90 degrees. So, I smell rubber. I smell burnt rubber. Hopefully it's not my brand new tires. They're burning up in this hot weather. No, they're not. So, yeah, so today's video, we're gonna talk about my new tires. We're gonna stop here in a minute and hop off the bike. I give you guys a good look at them. I just got them mounted last night. Wednesday night, and I just rode to work on them this morning, which is, I took a long way to work today so I could hit a few twisties on the way to work, and so I probably put 15 miles on them, so we're like on the 16th mile on them right now. So I can't give you guys really any opinions right now about how these tires perform, because I just haven't done any with them yet. I can tell you one thing that I noticed right out of the gate. Actually, maybe two things. This is a taller tire. It sits taller. So I noticed as soon as I took my bike off the stands that and I put it on the regular kickstand, that the bike was leaning over further, and because I think it was taller. And then when I hopped on it this morning, I could tell right off the bat that the bike was sitting higher. And so I went with the same size that the Shinkos were, which is a 120 for the front, and I went with a 150 for the back. Though I know some of you guys were thinking and mentioning, and so did the Shinko rep. He mentioned that I was having problems with stopping and having my ABS act up because I went with a different size tire in the front. And that may or may not be true. We're going to be able to put this tire to the test, which is the same exact size, you know, on number wise. So the second thing I noticed, and this is awesome, is I got my braking power back on dry pavement, and oh my god, this bike stops so hard now. It's crazy. Like, you know, like I said, I don't have many miles on them, and I can't tell you, but I was doing all kinds of brake testing this morning on brand new tires, and oh my goodness, I was having to squeeze the brake pedal, the brake lever so hard to try to get the ABS to kick in. It was insane. The little bit of size difference that the tires do have versus stock, at this point in time, I'm going to say that it's not affecting the ABS. Again, guys, I'm not a professional and I'm not an engineer, so I could be wrong. These are just my personal experiences. So remember, your results may vary. So I'm gonna find a spot up here so I can get out and take a look at these tires. These tires, you guys, they look phenomenal. They make the bike look even more aggressive than what we were dealing with the Shinkos, and I thought the Shinkos looked all right too. So it's pretty cool. They are an expensive tire. In fact, I think it's probably one of the most expensive tires that you can buy for this bike. As far as you know, an adventure tire, whatever you want to call it, this is considered a 50-50 tire. So whereas the stock tires are considered 80-20s, and then the Shinkos are 70-30s. These tires are also pretty heavy too. This is one of the heaviest tires, again, that you could put on this bike. And that's not necessarily a good thing, especially when you're dealing with a low horsepower motorcycle. Let's pull over here and get a look at these things. Some gravel. Maybe that's kicking in there. All right, somebody's getting a new house. Sweet. Take a look at the back one first. So right out of the gate, one thing I noticed is the side. Like you can see, like there's some side lugs. I hope you guys are seeing this okay. My camera's in a different position. I broke it on one of my outings on Saturday. And actually when I get home right now, I'm supposed to have a new, I bought a metal GoPro arm mount thing. So should be a little sturdier. But you guys are gonna have to deal with this view for today. But yeah, look at that side traction on these tires. It's pretty awesome. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. And these got some really deep grooves in them. Looks like a little bit deeper than the Shinkos, and they're stepped too. So I think that prevents the rounding off, or that's what I've heard about them anyways. So these, you can see, they're pretty new. Barely got down to the edges here on them this morning. Let's take a look at the front ones. And that front one looks awesome, and it's a different tread pattern, as you guys can see, for the front. And you know, Dunlop did a lot of work on designing these tires, a lot of testing and a lot of work. And that's going to go a long ways, you guys. It's going to go a long ways in the performance. Not only that, this front tire is a lot softer compound than the rear tire, and that's excellent in my book. When I had my CBR, I purposely put a softer compound tire up front than I did in the rear, just to give me a little more front stability. So yeah, not only that, they're supposed to wear more evenly, so you're not replacing the rear, you know, twice as much as you are the front. So, you know, I hope to get 4,000 or 5,000 miles out of these tires, and when that happens, I should be replacing the front and the rear at the same time, which should be okay. So nobody behind me. I'll try to do a hard stop here. Like, I'm having a really hard time to get the ABS to engage with 2 fingers. Where are we going? Ferry? Okay, here. I never knew this ferry was here. Well, it's not here right now, but it says stop. Let's pull over here and see what's up. There it is, across the river over there. $3 for motorcycles across the river when you can just travel up the road a little bit. And that's because we're down, if you look on the map, we're kind of down in a section where there's not any bridges for a while. So that's pretty sweet though. Interesting. So yeah, I can't wait to ride these in the rain. All right, let's do another test real quick. Let's get 2 fingers. Oh, dude, I can't be telling you all this stuff, you guys, because I gotta get a proper review on them. And the performance of it. This is a good little road. You know, so I'm starting to ramble on again here. But so yeah, you guys, Dunlop TrailMax Mission tires on the CB500X. And so far so good. I'm thinking, like I said, I'm thinking about going on a group ride tonight, which we will be all up in the twisties, just like this right here. Just kind of taking it slow. These are my first turns really on this thing. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little insight into my new tires, my videos. If you guys are still hanging out and you guys like this video, why don't you give it a thumbs up? It really helps my channel a lot. And if you guys want to hang out with me, I got a lot of stuff planned for the future. Do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to hit 3,000 subscribers by the end of 2020, and we are well on our way to doing that. And each and every one of you guys that are not subscribed can help me hit that goal, and it costs you no money. It's 100% free to hit the subscribe button. And for those of you that are subscribed, you guys can help me out by sharing my videos. If you guys are on Facebook or on a forum or something and you guys want to, like, you know, help me out, just copy the link and paste it somewhere and share it, you know, and tell those people what you think about me, you know, whether it be good or bad, you know, whatever, it is what it is. So road. So I think this is gonna dump us. This is the road I'm thinking of. This morning I did a jump. Are we here? Yeah. There's a jump up here. You guys can jump. Man, I totally caught air this morning. I almost turned around and set up my camera, but I didn't have my tripod on me. I was gonna film it because I came through here like at 5 this morning and there was none. So if you're going the opposite way on this, it's easy to jump. A little bit of air there. I used to hit that on my street bike and do a little bit, but on this it's so much easier because there's so much more travel. You can just charge the suspension and it comes right up. So all right, so we're in the beautiful city of West Lynn, and I'll be headed back. I'm gonna get some editing done. I'm gonna cool down, get some rest, and might go on that group ride tonight, possibly. I'm not 100% on it yet, but if I do, I'll probably make a video, so stay tuned for that. You guys, I'm working on another video too. When I went to the coast, and that's when I broke my mount and I got all kinds of problems, and that video is going to be kind of weird, but I should have that video done tonight, hopefully, and maybe it'll be up tomorrow or the next day. I'm not sure, but yeah, that coastal video is coming. There's some awesome scenery in there because I'm right on the coast, which is totally awesome. So here's some gravel road for you. I'm gonna spit some rocks up on the car behind me. All right, guys, until next time, Oregon Motorcycle. So I forgot, it's a little game we're playing on the Discord server, and today's challenge is get a picture of your bike in front of a waterfall. So you think that qualifies as a waterfall? Let me see if it's still going, make sure nobody got it already.